Hi there. I just took a batch of rocks out of the tumbler, and I don't usually share every tumble with you. A lot of them I just tumble and you don't get to see them. But I thought I've got all the cameras set up, I may as well just show you what I got here. So this is a mixed batch of stuff that I bought from somebody online, maybe multiple people. They get kind of all mixed up. Honestly, I don't know what most of these rocks are, or maybe any of these rocks are. They're just pretty rocks to me. So I just thought I'd show you a few of them, and I really haven't looked through them myself yet. These are all dry, by the way. If I've tumbled them correctly, they should look wet, but they're actually completely dry. So I'm going to move the camera a little bit closer to get some good close-ups, and we'll just go through these together. All right, so I really haven't looked these over very closely, so like I said, we're just going to kind of go through them together and take a look at them, see what we got. Right off the bat, I noticed this one is not perfect. You got some mineral there that didn't tumble quite right. I either didn't go long enough in the first stage, or more likely that's just a softer mineral that it's called undercutting, when one mineral wears away quicker than another. That's a pretty rock. Okay, I am very picky, so that bugs me a little bit. A shallow little crack like that's called a spall. Sometimes you can tumble those away. That one I probably could have with a couple more weeks in the rough stage, but I didn't. A little bad spot right there. So my rocks aren't always perfect, but I do the best I can. It's kind of plain, but probably a jasper. Really shiny. I like that one a lot. What else do we have? Another kind of plain one. Kind of look at the big ones here. And I don't know what these are, like I said before, so if you do know what they are and you want to comment on them, go ahead. Another spall on that one, but see how that one goes deep? So that's either you tumble the rock away to nothing, or you cut off the end here. I kind of like the shape of this one, so I left it, and I like that pattern on there. So sometimes there's just nothing you can do about some of these imperfections. What you can do is take pictures of them and not show anybody the imperfections. But I would never do something like that. Right, what else we have? Here's a little slab. So that one's got a bad spot right in the middle. You can see it's on the other side too. So that's another one where you just sort of cut your losses and move it on and say, hey, it's better than nothing. That's cool. I like that little hole in the middle there. That one's neat. Not super colorful, but I like the contrast and the stripes there. I've been watching these for a long time. I think I cut this one or broke it at some point. There's another piece in here somewhere. There it is. Some sort of an agate. Looks like a little tiny piece of crazy lace. Might be a Montana, but doesn't look quite right. Or maybe. I don't know. Okay, hopefully you're not looking at one right now and going, oh, I hope he shows me that one, because we're not going to look at every single one, but we'll look at a couple more. It almost looks like one of my guitar picks. Too thick, but kind of that same size. Kind of a fun shape on that one. Oh, I forgot this one. I've been watching this for a long time. That was much bigger when I started, but I like that. Some neat bands there. That's pretty. Nice thing about video is I can show you the shine and then move it, hopefully, so you can see the rock through the shine. It's a problem with taking pictures. Sometimes you take a picture to show the shine, and sometimes you want to see the rock. It'd be nice if you could show both. And if you take your pictures well enough, you can. All right, cool batch of rocks. Ooh, look at that one. A moss agate. Oh, I like that one a lot. All right, am I missing anything else good? I'm sure you'll let me know if I am. All right, I think that's enough. So I'll have another video up next Friday as normal. I just thought I'd throw up a quick little thing right now while I was working on these. See you later.